I'm pretty bummed about it, but this hair is so difficult to manage. I'm not really excited about this video because applying heat to your hair is not healthy for your hair. I'm pretty excited about this video. I love this.
Girl, don't do it. It's not worth it. I'm not gonna do it, girl. I was just thinking about it. I'm not gonna do it. I did it.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel once again. It's your girl Sperry, and today we are going to apply heat on my hair. I don't know if I'm excited about that. I think the last time I actually applied heat on my hair was about 3 to 4 months ago. And I would not suggest that you do this, but I'm gonna do it anyways. I don't really care. I do care about my hair. Don't get it twisted. Your hair's your crown, you know, like some said. Just kidding. Anyways, so I just came out of the shower and my hair is a little bit wet, but it's not damp. I dried it out a little bit with my towel, and I'm going to use my Tresemme Thermal Creation heat protectant. I'm gonna do this section by section. First of all, I know a lot of people usually put in oil in their hair before they blow dry, but I feel like that's like you frying your hair. So the only thing I'm gonna use is just water and the heat protectant from Tresemme. So you could use also like a leave-in conditioner. So I did session my hair, and next I'm going to use my Tresemme heat protectant on it, and you want to come from the bottom and then move your way up. I don't know if y'all can see, but I'm gonna start off on cold and then I'm gonna work my way to higher. My hair is a little bit dry now, so we are going to move on to high temperature. This is how it looks right now. I can easily comb through it, and I'm going to do the rest of it when I get to the front of the hair. I will be back to show you guys more. I changed into a little bit of a brighter color, and it got dark because it's late and I didn't want to use my black hoodies. Like, natural hair is just amazing how it can be so like long, at the same time when water touches it, it shrinks like so much, and I'm just loving this whole natural like look. If you don't follow me on Instagram, go follow me at Sperry. That's my hair page. I'm gonna do this side. When I get to the front, I'll be back. So I divided this into two, and I'm gonna show you guys real quick how I blow dry my hair. I'm going to use my Tresemme heat protectant, and I'm going to spray that on top. Next, I'm gonna detangle it. And I detangle from the bottom because that's where it's usually tangled up, so just to get any knots out of it. And then I work my way up. So that's done. I could do this as a new hairstyle, like a bangs. Let me put this out and see. Like, this is actually cute, y'all. Next, with my blow dry, we're going to turn it on cold. So we are now going to go to high because it's a little bit dry. So So yeah, we're gonna do the same to this last one left. Spray your heat protectant. Next, detangle it from the bottom. And that's how you blow dry your hair. Come to the end of the video. This is the final look. And I am loving it. I can choose to put it to the back like that. And it's still cute. I'm feeling this yellow, so comment yellow hearts if you made it to the end of this video. So of course I love the final product of it, and I want to say a very big thank you to you guys for watching. And if you're not subscribed, kindly go ahead and subscribe because we got more content coming up for you guys. And also give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, and if you like me, go ahead and follow me on my social media account, which will be linked down below. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Told you that you couldn't do it 'cause you're